Military relocation video number 1. Are you relocating and looking for a trusted real estate professional? Hi, I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty. I am a military relocation professional, which means I specialize in working with the military when it comes to their PCS move. Moving is an exciting opportunity, but can also be stressful. You want to make sure that your best interests are taken care of when dealing with agents in both the location you're moving from and the one you're moving into. That's why Homes by Westy exists, to help provide support and guidance through each step of the process. With Homes by Westy, you can trust that your needs will be met throughout every phase of your move. As part of our services, we'll assist in finding agents at the other location. We make sure all potential parties have been reviewed thoroughly before making any commitments. Plus, make sure everyone stays on the same page so there are less headaches or surprises along the way. Contact me today to get started. I'm Westy with Homes by Westy and Abbott Realty, helping people achieve their dreams of homeownership. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please share with your friends and family. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click the little button. Thank you.